A new way to learn by understanding Quran. Learn how to perform Hajj step by step.
Call all people to the pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot and on every lean camel from every distant path. Surah Al Hajj, 22, ayat 27.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
A brief guide to Hajj. There are three types of Hajj. Hajj Tamattu, which is performing the Umrah and then the Hajj. Hajj Ifrad, which is performing Hajj only. Hajj Qiran, which is performing the Umrah and Hajj together. Rituals of Hajj. Ihram. Making the intention. Taking a bath. Applying perfume. Wearing the Ihram cloth and offer 2 rakas prayers. The Talbiah. Hajj Tamattu, 1 says, labayk Allahuma bi Umrah. Here I am, O Allah, for Umrah. For Hajj Qiran, 1 says labayk Allahuma bi Hajj wa Umrah. Here I am, O Allah, for Hajj and Umrah. For Hajj Ifrad, 1 says labayk Allahuma Hajjan. Here I am, O Allah, for Hajj. Tawaf. Upon entering the holy mosque, the pilgrim should make tawaf and then pray 2 rakas. Sa'i. In Hajj Tamattu, sa'i must be offered for Umrah. But in Hajj, the Ifrad and Qiran sa'i can be delayed. Then the one performing Hajj Tamattu shaves his head or cuts the hair. By this, the Umrah is done and thus he exits Ihram completely. On the 8th of Dhul Hijjah, the one doing Hajj Tamattu enters Ihram for Hajj, recites the Talbiah and says, labayk Allahuma Hajjan. Here I am, O Allah, for Hajj. To Mina. Pilgrim goes to Mina and prays the Zuhar, Asar, Maghrib, Isha, and Fajr there. To Arafat. By sunrise of the 9th day of the Dhul Hijjah, the pilgrim leads to Arafat, spending his time in making dhikr and du'as. When the sun sets, the pilgrim goes to Muzdalifah and stays overnight in it. Back to Mina. Before the sun rises he goes to Mina, where he stones Jamarat and Aqaba. The sacrifice. On the 10th day of the Dhul Hijjah, the pilgrim slaughters a sacrificial animal, and then shaves his head or cuts his hair. Now everything is permissible, except having intercourse with one's wife. Back to Mecca. Then the pilgrim goes back to Mecca and does Tawaf and Sa'i for Hajj. After Tawaf and Sa'i, the pilgrim goes to Mina and stones the 3 Jamarat during those 2 days. Then he exits around completely. Farewell Tawaf. Upon leaving, one should not move out of Mecca until he has performed a farewell Tawaf. Visiting the Prophet's Mosque. It is highly recommended to visit the Prophet's Mosque in Madina.
Download Islamconnector app by scanning QR codes and discover more.